Today our topic is how to develop an unbreakable mindset. Life is full of challenges, and how we face them defines who we are. An unbreakable mindset is not something you are born with. It is something you build over time. It is about training your mind to stay strong, focused, and calm, no matter what happens around you. This kind of mindset helps you face difficulties with courage and keeps you moving forward, even when things seem impossible. So, how do you develop this kind of mindset? Let's break it down into simple steps that anyone can follow. First, you need to understand that life is not always fair. Bad things will happen, and you cannot control everything. What you can control is how you respond to these situations. This is the core idea of Stoicism, an ancient philosophy that teaches us to focus on what we can control and let go of what we cannot. When you accept that some things are out of your hands, you stop wasting energy on them and start focusing on what really matters. This shift in thinking is the first step toward building an unbreakable mindset. Next, you need to embrace challenges as opportunities to grow. Many people see problems as something to avoid, but with the right mindset, you can see them as chances to become stronger. Think of challenges like weights in a gym. Lifting heavy weights is hard, but it makes your muscles stronger. In the same way, facing difficulties makes your mind stronger. Every time you overcome a problem, you prove to yourself that you are capable of handling more. This builds confidence and resilience, which are key parts of an unbreakable mindset. Another important step is to practice gratitude. It is easy to focus on what is going wrong in life, but this only makes you feel worse. Instead, try to focus on what is going right. Take a few minutes every day to think about the things you are grateful for, no matter how small they seem. This simple habit can change your perspective and help you stay positive, even in tough times. Gratitude reminds you that there is always something good in your life, and this can give you the strength to keep going. Discipline is also essential for developing an unbreakable mindset. Discipline means doing what you need to do, even when you don't feel like it. It is about setting goals and working toward them, no matter how hard it gets. Start small by creating daily habits that move you closer to your goals. For example, if you want to be healthier, commit to exercising for 10 minutes every day. Over time, these small actions add up and create big changes. Discipline is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Another key part of an unbreakable mindset is learning to manage your emotions. Life will always have ups and downs, and your emotions will follow. The key is not to let your emotions control you. Instead, learn to observe them without reacting right away. When you feel angry, sad, or stressed, take a deep breath and give yourself a moment to think before you act. This helps you make better decisions and stay in control, even in difficult situations. Managing your emotions also means being kind to yourself. Everyone makes mistakes, and everyone has bad days. When things go wrong, don't be too hard on yourself. Instead, treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding you would offer a friend. This self-compassion helps you bounce back from setbacks and keeps you moving forward. Another important aspect of an unbreakable mindset is adaptability. Life is unpredictable, and things don't always go as planned. When this happens, you need to be able to adjust and find new ways to move forward. This means being open to change and willing to try new things. Instead of clinging to a specific plan, focus on your ultimate goal and be flexible about how you get there. Adaptability also means learning from your mistakes. When something doesn't work out, don't see it as a failure. See it as a lesson. Ask yourself what you can learn from the experience and how you can do better next time. This mindset turns every setback into a step forward. Surrounding yourself with positive influences is another important step. The people you spend time with have a big impact on your mindset. If you surround yourself with negative people, it will be harder to stay positive and focused. But if you surround yourself with people who encourage and support you, it will be easier to stay motivated and strong. Look for friends, mentors, or role models who inspire you and push you to be your best self. At the same time, limit your exposure to negativity. This includes not only negative people, but also negative media or habits that drain your energy. Focus on filling your life with things that uplift and inspire you. Developing an unbreakable mindset also requires a sense of purpose. When you have a clear reason for why you are doing something, it is easier to stay motivated, even when things get tough. Take some time to think about what really matters to you and what you want to achieve in life. This could be a big goal, like starting a business or helping others, or a smaller goal, like improving your health or learning a new skill. Whatever it is, make sure it is something that truly inspires you. When you have a strong sense of purpose, it gives you the strength to keep going, no matter what obstacles you face. Finally, remember that developing an unbreakable mindset is a journey, not a destination. It takes time, effort, and practice. There will be days when you feel strong, and days when you feel weak. That's okay. What matters is that you keep trying and keep learning. Every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to the mindset you want. So, start today. Focus on what you can control. Embrace challenges, practice gratitude, and stay disciplined. Manage your emotions, be adaptable, surround yourself with positivity, and find your purpose. Over time, these habits will help you build a mind that is strong, resilient, and unbreakable. Remember, the power to change your mindset is in your hands. You have everything you need to face life's challenges with courage and strength. Believe in yourself and take it one step at a time. You've got this.